Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing some work around the house and I wanted to pick up the camera and record. I have some contact paper that I want to use on some furniture. So I need to put the shelves on this bookcase, but I want to put this contact paper on the bottom and the top shelf, and I'm going to be using this contact paper. It's from practicalWs. It's a seller on Amazon. I believe I'm saying the name right, hopefully, because I did team up with them for this video. So yeah, I'm going to be using this contact paper around the house. I need to do my daughter's desk and her bookcase area. And let me show you guys the contact paper that I used to buy. So I have it on this coffee table, and I used to get it from Lowe's, but I'm not crazy about it because it's very dull looking. With this one, you have that high gloss look, which is better on furniture pieces. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys the difference because I am like so excited right now. A lot of YouTubers do DIYs with their like kitchen counters and stuff, or like their bathroom vanity. They're using the one with the high gloss. This is great, especially if you're going to be putting it around your sink because of the finish. This one you couldn't put like around your sink because if it gets wet, it's not going to last as long. But with this one, it's not going to penetrate. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the difference. But it's so pretty. I love marble contact paper, guys. I think I might put this on top of my my kitchen table. But we'll see because, oh, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I purchased. All right, so I have this metallic paint that I purchased from Lowe's. One of the ladies I follow on Instagram recommended this to me. I love her home. I don't believe she's on YouTube, but yeah, she likes to revamp furniture pieces with this paint because I was talking about how I might get a new dining room table, but I think I'm going to try to paint it first and see how I like it with this metallic paint. It's a champagne finish, and I picked up this glaze to give it like a distressed look. Not too much, but I do want to give it a finish. And then I have this top coat, make it more durable. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Not in this video. I think I'm gonna have to do a separate video for that. But yeah, I still have a lot of projects that I want to do around the house, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tackle the shelving unit, and then I'm gonna go upstairs in my daughter's room and revamp some stuff up there because they have separate rooms now. I don't know if you're aware, but the kids used to have a playroom and share a bedroom, but now they have separate rooms and no more playroom, and it's what they wanted. So yeah, I'm just decorating now, having fun with that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started revamping some stuff around the house. And if you want to get your hands on this contact paper, I will have it linked in the description box. So I'm gonna do the bookcase first, and I still have the glass in the box. It's really heavy. But yeah, I'm not gonna do this on all of the shelves. And I was searching like Google for the bookcase, and I saw the idea, and I figured I'll go ahead and recreate it because I really like the look. It's peel and stick contact paper, so if I don't like it, then I'll just peel it off. So yeah, I need to get my glass cleaner because this is very dirty. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna use this Host Perfect Glass Cleaner. I really love this stuff. It works really well. But yeah. All right, now we're good to go. So I'm not going to use the edge of the contact paper. I'm going to bring it out some because it's kind of wrinkled on the edge, and that's probably my fault. But I never use the edge of the contact paper anyways. So I'm just gonna put it right in the front, and then I'm just gonna take my squeegee and roll the contact paper at the bottom. You guys probably already know how to do this. Like, girl, why are you giving us a tutorial on applying contact paper? But you never know. You never know. Not everyone is into like DIYs, and some people come on YouTube to learn. I don't like this squeegee. I have a bigger one. This isn't, I don't like this one. I don't even know where this one came from. It was in my little toolkit, but I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Let me pull it up some because that air bubble isn't trying to come out. So let me try to get it. Okay, there we go. Oh, nope, another. Okay, I need to find the bigger squeegee. I can't find my smoothing tool, so I'm just gonna use this gift card from Kirkland's, and just gonna bring it out. I actually need to use this gift card because I have some money on it. I should make a move, but I won't. I can't sing. And look at how pretty this contact paper is. It's so nice. Uh-oh. Missed the spot, missed the air bubble. Okay, it's not too bad. Whatever. You definitely want to take your time with this. But this is like such an easy way to revamp some furniture. I even put marble contact paper in my fridge. But we have a new fridge, so this is going to be so easy to clean. Unlike the other contact paper I used to buy. This one is going to be really easy to clean because it has that high gloss to it. You can just wipe it off. Alright, so I am at the end. And you have lines on the back of the contact paper, so when you're cutting, you can cut on a straight line. Okay, now you can wrap it if you want to, or you can just cut off. Use your X-Acto knife or like a razor and cut the edge. But if your edge is gonna show, then I would recommend just wrapping it. Alright, so I'm not gonna wrap this around the glass because I'm gonna install this one on the top shelf, and I'm gonna turn it so that you can see it when you're looking at the bookcase from an upward angle. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Oh, it looks good. But I do need to go and touch up these little corners. So you're not going to be able to see the contact paper at the top unless you're really tall. So I am going to just turn it this way. Alright, so I have the camera at eye level and you cannot see the top of it. But if you come up close, then you can, but it doesn't look bad because you just have a white, top. Had I wrapped it, then you would see that. I could just go back and put contact paper on the top part as well, but I don't feel like it's necessary. But if you're like sitting down on the sofa, you can see, you can see it from an upward angle. And I don't want to see the bottom of the decor when I'm, looking at the shelving unit, or if I'm taking pictures or something. I don't want to see the bottom of the decor. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and put contact paper at the top. But I don't want to only have it at the top. That's why I'm going to put it at the bottom as well. I think it'll just look better. But I don't want to put it on every single shelf. So yeah, let me just go ahead and finish, and then I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like when I'm done. Almost fell. Trying to watch this show. I'm watching Flashpoint. I love watching TV shows, guys.
Where is he? Where is he?
But yeah, I've been binge watching this for like a month.
Where she is right now.
Alright, so I am done. And it just looks really good. I like it a lot. Alright, so I'm gonna go upstairs now. Alright, so I'm in my daughter's room. I'm doing laundry right now. That's why she doesn't have any sheets on the bed. But yeah, this is her vanity. And the kids are writing on it. That's why I want to cover it with this contact paper. I'm gonna try to get this off. I'm pretty sure my magic eraser should remove this Crayola. It's doing a pretty good job, but you can still see like markings. I don't know, maybe if I scrub a little harder and longer, it'll come up. And I'm just wiping it back down because you do need to remove the residue. Alright, so when I wrap it, I like to make sure I have all of the air bubbles out, and I like to press it in like, so that you have a nice sharp corner. Well, not corner, so your edges are nice and sharp. And then I like to cut it at the corner. I hope I'm not messing this up right now. But this is a rounded corner, which I really hate. But just gonna try to get it as neat as possible. The corners are always hard for me to do, to get like really neat when they're rounded instead of squared. It's easy to do when it's squared, but it's a tad bit harder because it never comes out like really neat. Because it's, I mean, you're wrapping paper around it, but I mean, this isn't too bad. Alright, so I am done with that. It's so cute. So cute. I cannot wait to like really get in here and decorate the room and then show you guys. I'll come back and do the bookcase tomorrow because it's pretty late. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.